Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to make a 5-channel IR sensor array for a line follower robot. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. We need a Vero board. I'm using 𝐇𝐨𝐬𝐬𝐚𝐢𝐧 5000 IR sensor. (200 ohms and 4.7 kilo ohms resistors. 𝐀𝐬𝐥𝐚𝐦 header pin. Cutting the Vero board in 12 by 2 centimeters. First, place a sensor in the middle of the Vero board. Then taking 2 cm gap for the other sensors on the left and right sides. Then soldered all the sensors by keeping 2 cm gaps between each sensor. Connected all the ground of the sensor together. Now I'm placing 220 ohms resistor in the Vero board. Connected one terminal of each resistor together, which will be VCC of the array, and the other terminal with the positive terminal of the transmitter LED of the sensor. Then I'm placing 4.7 kilo ohms resistor in the Vero board. Here one terminal of each resistor will be connected to the VCC of the array, and the other terminal with the positive terminal of the receiver led to the sensor. Now I'm placing the L-shaped header pin in the Vero board and connecting them according to the circuit diagram. Now check the IR sensor array by taking analog readings from the sensor. It will provide greater than 900 in the black line, no reflection, and less than 100 in the white line.